Alright, what's good, y'all? They're 231, I think. Let's get to our next part of the chapter, which is to put everything together. We're gonna request headers, request the request field lines and stuff like that. So, the first step was to add a new state. So let's do that. Request parsing state, or request header state. Parsing header, right? We'll do that, and then got this. Okay, that done. Let me first add this to my test case. What? Oh yeah, that makes sense. Let me add, since we're gonna be adding headers now. Wait, what? Does this not have a header? Oh. Fuck is happening right now? Okay. Okay, wait. When request state parsing header state, parse the headers. Okay, that makes sense. So we need to take this out, parse single, right? And we'll make our own func request parse single. Should be the same as this. Data should return integer and error. Right. Basically just does this. But adds one more state, which is the parsing, parsing header. Parsing parse this one. Okay, this is the logic here. It's gonna be pretty similar to thing. I think I can just do this, right? Parse dot, or is it r dot parse? I think, oh my god, headers. Oh, I think it's r dot headers. R dot headers. Headers dot parse. Okay, I need a headers object. That's my part. So it's r dot headers dot parse data, And then I forgot what this returns actually. Should return n nd n done and error. Okay, so n done and error. If error does not equal, it's probably not enough information, so return 0 and nil. And then the parse this now is just gonna be a different. It's gonna do this thing. So we have total, and then for I guess r dot state does not equal done state. I guess r dot parse single should return two things, right? Which is n and error. If error does not equal nil, return 0 and nil, or I guess error. Otherwise total n, and then return total and nil. Something like this. I think it might be a little wrong, but it's fine for now. We'll adjust it a little bit later. Now this is the problem here. Our R object won't have a request object. Wait, do we need to add another field? A header field? Okay, we did this. We'll do that later. Add a new request state parsing headers to our enum. Did that. In the request parse method, when you're done parsing request line, switch to a new request state parsing. Okay. Wait, the problem is how. Wait, I feel like I'm doing something wrong. Because I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to have another state here. The request line, I guess, headers. New headers. I don't know. What am I supposed to do here? Kind of confused. When you're done parsing all the headers, set the state to request state done. Okay. I feel like I can do this here. No? Oh, well, this is gonna be here for sure. Wait, okay, then, hold on. I feel like I should do this here. Oh, the problem is I have to set it somewhere. Hmm. I feel like I'm missing something. Right. Oh, when you're done parsing the request and switch to okay, yeah, this part, switch to um, parsing parsing header, and then here ll r dot state equals done state. We'll finish it here. I guess that's the order, right? We do the headers last or something. I mean, not the header. The header, okay, the request line is the get thing. That's the first thing. The second thing is the parsing header. So this is actually, I should put this in different orders. Oops. I'll put this here too. I'm getting the pattern. And okay, where is this object? Request. First, I need to adjust this, cause we need a headers. Headers dot new headers. Yeah. It's not a type. Yeah, that's unfortunate. I don't know how to do that then. We could just put headers. Or I guess we could say headers dot headers, right? And then parsing headers, right? And done error r dot headers parse okay, now I have to do something with this. First, I actually need to check for this. If error, I guess errors dot is okay, what does this done mean again? Ah. Oh, I see. If this becomes the first index, then we know we're done. So that's true. Okay. I guess, hold on. So, if done, I guess we can just put this to done, right? I feel like there should be more stuff to do though. Okay, we can check if n equals. We'll call this consumed. Consumed, I guess. If consumed equals 0, we need more data. Right. That's what it will give me, right? Yeah. We need more data, so we'll handle that. Other than that, I think we are in a good spot, so we do this. I guess we could just return consumed. Yeah. All right. Pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. I think. Pretty solid logic for now. Oops. Okay. All right. Let's try. Ah, we hung. Okay, something's hanging. Crap. What's causing our thing? Okay, that's the problem. We actually never. Wait, hold on. I actually never. Oh, that's why. We never added the headers back here. Headers. Um. Headers. Dot. Yeah, let's do this. Yeah, that's fine. We got an error. Oh, that's a stupid thing. Okay. Perfect. Damn. Okay, that sucks. Still hanging. Okay. Let me just double check the things make sense. Okay, whatever. What's hanging? I think it might be this. Yeah. Eventually, I will have to change this to. This is parsing header. Done state. Yeah. If done. Maybe it's never getting done. Where would this hang cause? I guess it's mandatory to have that. Wait, I'm supposed to only do till total though, no? And then if n is equal to 0, break out cause we need more data, right? Okay, never mind. Let's not do that. It's still hanging. That's stupid, bruh. Wait, no. This should be total till that, yeah. How about that? Damn, what is happening? I don't know why I'm getting an error. Exactly. So I did that wrong. So there's that. Let's rename it like what he did. So it was like total bytes parsed. Total bytes parsed. Yeah. Wait, plus the length of CLN. Damn, bro, it's just still like hanging for some reason. Oh man, I don't know what's happening. Set to stay done and return the number of bytes just like before. I don't think it worked, guys. Why? Okay, let me try to think. Where is total bytes parse? Okay, definitely not this. This is wrong. Okay, so but if n equals 0, I should break out, right? Because parse single. Wait, hold on. Who causes? I think the request. Yeah, this person. This function calls that, right? Yeah, that'll parse. So we need more. We need more data. So that's why we come back and parse this. Oh yeah, I freaking knew it. It was that, bro. Alright, boot dev. Because we have to keep. So, let's say in our parse, single parse, we return 0. We have to tell the requester, hey, we need more data, right? Exactly. Stop playing. Alright, let me see how they did it. Yep, exactly the same. We need to break out because, yeah. Beautiful. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.